Hello and welcome to today's daily message. As you know, throughout this month, we are celebrating Black History Month. And so we call to mind and we celebrate the many, many accomplishments of African Americans. Some of those accomplishments are very well known, and others are almost not known at all. And so I want to tell the story of someone whom I knew. Her name was Catherine Ezell. Catherine was born and grew up in Jackson, Mississippi, and moved to St. Louis with her family. Catherine was a housekeeper for several different Catholic parishes in St. Louis. But that's not what makes her special. One time, Catherine told me the story of how her daughters were denied entry to a Catholic high school in the 1940s. And she took it upon herself to go both to the superintendent of schools at the time and also to the archbishop to plead her case. And she won. And so her daughters became some of the first African American girls to attend Catholic high schools, to integrate Catholic high schools in St. Louis. And so as I call to mind this story of Catherine Ezell, I also want us all to remember and to think about the fact that part of Jesus' ministry, and a crucial part of Jesus' ministry, was his emphasis on equality, that everyone in the reign of God, no matter man or woman, black or white, rich or poor, sick or healthy, all are equal in the sight of God, and all have great dignity and are loved infinitely by God. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you have a great day.